Hey guys, Zaggy here from Zaggy Outdoors again. Going to be doing some saltwater fishing today, and I'm going to be showing you some of the footage that I've got so far from the Black Drum Run, which is started a little bit ago, going through around February or March, and catching some big black drum. This is going to be some of the big fish that we've had, and some of the fish that we also lost, which all the fish so far have been incredibly awesome, and they fought really hard. So I guess enjoy this, and I'll catch you at the very end.
Get him, Chad.
I guess they're here, Zach.
I know, yeah, I'm not gonna move. Oh my goodness. That's a good fish, dude. Jeez. That's a good. Chad, the fish is out. Calm down, calm down. Oh man. I got the rigginess. Come on. Oh no, 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 no. Oh man. You got it, you got it, you got it. There we go. Come on. We got half the rig stuck in the net.
There.
Grab the line.
Zach, grab the net, grab the net.
Ah, that's a good fish.
33,
31.
Yeah, he's too big.
Let's get some pictures though before we throw. Like 17 on the dot, pretty much.
17. I think we couldn't live more late.
Want to fill these other ones up? Let's get this other one. How far out is it still? You took a fish on your rod, so it's whatever. I'll be the net man. Oh, it's way over here. Reel, Chad, reel. You want me to net it from the back or the front? Yeah, that one's smaller. Yeah. He's less than 28.
There
13, so this one's 4 pounds lighter than the last one. Chop that motherfucker up. You got one? Think so? You got it. What? Yeah, we think it might be a black drum. Keep drilling, keep drilling, keep drilling. He wants to tighten the drag. He's like right here in front of us. You sure you're not snagged? Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a good one. Yeah. That might be, yeah. Oops, sorry. Keep it, keep the pressure. Come on, biggin. Come on, biggin. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Don't stop. Big old black drum, brother. Uh-huh. No, he is. That like a giant sheephead or something. If it was a sheephead, it'd be like gigantic. This might be close. They, oh, it's huge. Oh, it's huge. Oh, it's huge. Oh, it's... Bring him, you gotta, I can't get that low. Keep the pressure, don't worry. Tire him out. Tire him out. Yeah. Tire him out, tire him out. Bring him here. Yeah, I see. Oh shit! I got the rig. Keep the line tight. Nope. Let it get loose. Woo! Look at the head on that thing, dude. 34 and a half.
I knew he was more than 30. You want to weigh him?
Yeah, let's get him.
He probably weighs more than the other one. Eggs full of eggs. That's why I think it's full of eggs. That's why it's so bad.
22. Yeah, let's say 22. Or, you can just hold him like that. Just grab it right where my hand is. I'm gonna get a picture at that point. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. I know. Oh. No.
It is a redfish.
I don't know, dude. It is? I think I snagged it too. It's probably a lot heavier than he is. I think he's snagged too. You sure? It could be. I don't know, dude. It could be. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's a black drum. It's a black drum, dude. I've already entered it. That's a black drum, dude. You don't. It's got no spots on it. It's got stripe. It's got the black stripes.
Yeah, that one was just like plain like that.
Come on. Come on. That's a small one, dude. Look at that. I didn't snag it. Get that net down there, dude. You got it? Chat, eh? No, you don't got it. It's gonna fall out of the net. No, dude. No, it's not a redfish. Go deeper. Hey, don't hold on to the line, you do. Yeah, go, up, 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 up. Yeah, he's 30, 35, pretty much. Let me get him on the... Yeah, let me get him on the... Yeah, he's fine.
Not 35.
Yeah, 35 and a half if you squeeze it.
They just keep the catch and go back, you know.
35 and a half. And 22 pounds. Yeah. 22 pounds. It's like oh, that is a fish, dude. Chad! Chad! Oh my god. Dude, tighten the drag a little bit. Tighten the drag. I'm like not even reeling in anything. Oh my god. Do you see where it's at? I see it. Yeah. Should be. Should I stop reeling? You think so? Yeah. Oh. Oh. I can't tell. Oh, shit. That's probably what I think. Or am I actually... Yeah, yes. Oh, man. I think it might be crossed. Two people fighting the same fish. That's for sure. We're on the same fish. Oh.
Alright, so we're back. Yeah, so in this video we caught around, I think, 4 big black drum, all 20 plus inches. My biggest one, like I said, was 35.5 inches and gonna be 22 pounds. The other biggest one was 34 inches and around 22 pounds as well. So some truly monster black drum, and the black drum run has only just started. So I mean, there's gonna be a lot of more big fish ahead. Look forward to more videos of that, and I'll catch you next time. Actually, in the review in just a little bit on Zychie Outdoors. See ya.